Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the 10 laziest ways to make money on YouTube. So grab your snacks, get comfy, and let's dive into these crazy easy ways to make bank on YouTube. First up, reaction videos. These are one of the easiest and most entertaining ways to create content from the comfort of your own home. People love watching others react to trending videos or viral clips. It's like sharing a moment with friends, even if you're miles apart. Just grab your phone or webcam, find a video, and hit record. You don't need fancy equipment or a professional setup. Your genuine reactions are what people are here for. Be authentic, laugh, cry, scream, let your emotions flow. The more genuine your reactions, the more your audience will connect with you. React to stuff in your niche to attract a targeted audience. Whether it's gaming, cooking, or movie trailers, find what resonates with you and your viewers. Engage with your viewers by asking for their thoughts and suggestions. This not only makes them feel involved, but also gives you fresh content ideas. The more interaction, the more YouTube's algorithm will love you. Comments, likes, and shares boost your video's visibility, helping you reach a wider audience. So there you have it, reaction videos, the epitome of lazy YouTube money-making. But remember, consistency is key. Keep uploading regularly and watch your channel grow. Editing can also play a big role. Add some funny effects, transitions, or even memes to make your reaction videos more engaging and entertaining. Organize your content into playlists. This makes it easier for viewers to binge watch your videos, increasing your watch time and boosting your channel's performance. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Dual reaction videos can be a hit and introduce your channel to a new audience. Promote your videos on social media. Share links on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook to attract more viewers. And don't forget to monetize your content. With enough views and subscribers, you can start earning through ads, sponsorships, and even merchandise. Always thank your audience. Show appreciation for their support, and they'll be more likely to stick around and keep watching. Plan your content ahead. Having a schedule or a list of video ideas can help you stay consistent and keep your audience engaged. Participate in viral challenges and trends. This can give your channel a quick boost in views and subscribers. Positive feedback can be incredibly motivating. Read your comments, take constructive criticism, and keep improving your content. Most importantly, have fun. Enjoy the process of creating and sharing your reactions. Your enthusiasm will shine through and attract more viewers. So get started today. Reaction videos are a fantastic way to cash in on your couch and build a community of engaged viewers. Happy reacting! Next up, compilation videos, the ultimate lazy YouTuber hack. Take funny clips, epic fails, or heartwarming moments and stitch them together. Always give credit to the original creators and check for Creative Commons licenses. Keep things fast-paced and engaging with good editing. Add catchy music, sound effects, and maybe some funny commentary. So put on your editing cap and get ready to compile your way to YouTube riches. ASMR, or Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, is huge on YouTube. This phenomenon has taken the internet by storm, captivating millions of viewers worldwide. ASMR videos are designed to trigger a tingling sensation that typically begins on the scalp and moves down the back of the neck and upper spine. It's a unique experience that many find incredibly relaxing and soothing. All you need is a good microphone and some everyday objects. The beauty of ASMR is its simplicity. You don't need expensive equipment or a professional studio to get started. Everyday items like brushes, paper, and even your own voice can create the perfect sounds. The key is to experiment and find what works best for you and your audience. Think whispering, tapping, crinkling, anything that makes soft, satisfying sounds. These sounds can evoke a sense of calm and tranquility, helping viewers to unwind and de-stress. Whispering can create an intimate atmosphere, while tapping and crinkling can provide a rhythmic, almost hypnotic effect. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your creativity. Create a relaxing and immersive experience for your viewers. The environment you create is just as important as the sounds themselves. A quiet, comfortable space with minimal background noise can make a huge difference. Soft lighting and a cozy setup can enhance the overall experience, making your viewers feel like they're in a safe, serene space. Invest in a binaural microphone to enhance the experience. Binaural microphones can capture sound in a way that mimics human hearing, providing a 3D audio experience. This can make your ASMR content even more immersive, as it allows viewers to feel like the sounds are happening all around them. It's a worthwhile investment if you're serious about creating high-quality ASMR videos. Try incorporating role-playing into your ASMR videos. Role-playing can add an extra layer of engagement and creativity to your content. Whether it's a pretend spa session, a visit to the hairdresser, or a simple conversation, role-playing can make your viewers feel more connected and involved. It adds a personal touch that can set your videos apart from others. So, there you have it, ASMR, the perfect way to make money on YouTube while helping people chill out. By creating content that relaxes and soothes, you can build a loyal following and potentially earn a steady income. It's a win-win situation. You get to do something you love, and your viewers get to enjoy the calming benefits of ASMR, so why not give it a try and see where it takes you? Next up, unboxing videos. These videos have taken the internet by storm, captivating audiences of all ages. People love watching others unbox the latest gadgets, makeup, clothes, you name it. There's something incredibly satisfying about seeing a product revealed for the first time. Be enthusiastic and genuine in your reactions, as this authenticity is what keeps viewers coming back for more. Share your honest thoughts and first impressions. Viewers appreciate transparency and trustworthiness. If you love a product, let them know why. If you have reservations, don't be afraid to share those too. Your audience values your opinion and relies on your insights to make informed purchasing decisions. Get up close and personal with the camera, showing off all the details. Highlight the unique features, textures, and functionalities of the product. This not only provides valuable information but also enhances the viewing experience, making it more immersive and engaging. Incorporate humor or personality into your videos. A touch of humor or a burst of excitement can make your content more relatable and enjoyable. Your unique personality is what sets you apart from other creators, so let it shine through in every unboxing. The more engaging your videos, the more views and subscribers you'll attract. Pay attention to your YouTube analytics to understand what works best for your audience. Celebrate milestones and interact with your viewers to build a loyal community. So there you have it. Unboxing videos, the perfect way to indulge your inner child while making some serious cash on YouTube. With the right approach, you can turn your passion for unboxing into a lucrative venture. Happy unboxing. Let's be honest, everyone loves a good list. Top 10 list videos are insanely popular on YouTube because they're easy to digest and highly engaging. Think about your passions or interests and compile your list. Add your own personality and humor to make it fun and engaging. Live streaming is all about connecting with your audience in real time. No fancy editing required, just hit that go live button. Think about what your audience would enjoy watching live. Chat with your viewers, answer their questions, and give shout-outs. The more engaged your audience, the more likely they are to stick around and donate. The possibilities are endless. Gaming and YouTube? It's a match made in heaven. Whether you're a hardcore sports pro or a casual gamer, there's a place for you on YouTube Gaming. Find your niche and let your personality shine. Experiment with different types of gaming videos. The gaming community on YouTube is huge and always hungry for fresh content, so get out there, level up your skills, and show the world what you've got. Vlogs are like a window into your world. Share your daily life, thoughts, and experiences. It doesn't require a Hollywood budget or fancy editing skills. Think about what makes your life interesting or unique. Interact with your viewers by asking questions and responding to comments. Vlogging is all about building a community, so make your viewers feel like they're a part of your journey. Memes are everywhere, and you can make money on YouTube just by reacting to them. People love watching others react to the latest viral memes. All you need is a good collection of memes and your own hilarious reactions. Be authentic and let your personality shine. Add your own commentary to the memes, and if you're feeling extra creative, create your own memes to react to. Voiceover slideshows are a great way to share information without needing to film any actual footage. Think about topics that people are searching for on YouTube. Gather your images and write your script. Keep your script concise and engaging. Record your voiceover with a good microphone in a quiet space. Use simple video editing software to create your slideshow. And boom, you've got yourself a YouTube-ready voiceover slideshow. There you have it, the 10 laziest ways to make money on YouTube. Remember, the key to success is to be consistent, engage with your audience, and have fun. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next video.